Edie, where's Fufa?
No. No. No.
Is she lost?
Yeah.
Did you look for her? Do you know where the rest of your friends are?
Fuck.
Where is she?
No. No.
Where's Broby?
Yeah.
Oh, who's that?
Baby.
Oh, who else is there?
Moo.
Who's that?
Moo.
Oh, is he your friend?
Where?
Who's that?
Where?
Plex?
Wow. Cool.
You think Plex is cool?
Cheese.
Who is that? Can I see? Who's your friend?
Cheese.
Tootie?
Wow.
Oh, cool. Are you missing someone?
Fufa.
Is Tootie blowing air in your face? Do you love Tootie?
Huck.
Hugs! Hugs for Tootie?
Oh. Fuck. Fuck. Huck.
Hugs? For who?
Fuck. Huck. Huck.
Fufa's gonna come on your frog hugging adventure? The frog's sitting on Fufa. Those your butterflies? Can you count them?
1, 2, 2.
What comes
Cup.
after 2?
Feet.
Oh, good. Are there 3 butterflies? Is there another one? What comes after 3?
2.
2 comes before 3.
Check. Where?
You want to give your frog a hug?
Yeah. Boom.